Hi guys, it's Nina from VR Focus. We are here at CES 2019 and I'm joined by
Dan O'Brien.
So today's announcement, my mind was blown. I am so excited. Please tell us about which headsets you've announced today.
Great, we announced two new headsets. Well, we announced a new headset and a first look of a new headset. So first one was the Vive Pro family edition, the Vive Pro Eye, which has native eye tracking built in. And the second hardware that we announced was the Vive Cosmos, which is a more consumer-focused product that we'll have a lot more details about in the coming months.
Do we have, let's focus on one headset first.
Sure.
So the Cosmos, this is, I suppose, a standalone headset?
No, it's actually, it is a inside-out tracking headset that will connect with your PC. And then we're also hoping to make it work with more than just a PC and have it powered by other things like potentially smartphones and things like that.
Okay, right. So where on the spectrum do you see this headset? Like, on the spectrum of like the Vive Focus, the HTC Vive Pro?
Sure, this is a new product inside of the premium end of VR, but a consumer-focused side. Mm-hmm. So it's not an all-in-one headset, and it's also not meant for our professional and enterprise customers.
So I'm guessing it's at a lower price point. It'll be easier for people to get.
We will target consumer price points with that product, but we're not revealing anything about pricing at this time.
Okay, so let's talk about the other headset.
Sounds good.
It's got eye tracking. What does this mean for VR users?
You know, this is really exciting for the enterprise and professional customer market because introducing the Vive Pro last year, we got a lot of feedback immediately from the professional market and what they wanted to be able to do with it, with training, user research, and a lot of other solutions. Even accessibility and being able to navigate menus more fluidly and quicker. So we have a lot of partners in the room like Lockheed Martin, Major League Baseball, Ovation. So you have a lot of enterprise use cases on display with that eye tracking that will really help a lot of professional customers and B2B customers and partners understand a lot about their customers and really take advantage of all that technology. So it's just the beginning too of the eye tracking capabilities. Really excited to see where it's going to go.
So we were at NVIDIA's press conference last night, and they
Yes.
mentioned that they were working together with you, and potentially the RTX sort of technology was going to be used with that as well. So I'm thinking that's foveated rendering.
Yes, that's right. So we're able to actually work together with their VRS technology, which is built into their new RTX cards. So as it pairs with a Vive Pro Eye, which is has eye tracking natively built in, you'll actually be able to take advantage of their advanced features and their foveated rendering, which essentially gives you the ability to have even crisper image and fidelity just where your eye is looking and not in all those peripherals. So it saves a lot on the computing resources and power as well.
I mean, I think that's going to be fantastic, and
yes.
It's going to be amazing. Do we have like rough dates for when these headsets are coming out?
So we're looking at probably Q2 for the Vive Pro Eye, and we'll have more to come on the Vive Cosmos.
And with regards to seeing that you're focusing on both the consumer market and the enterprise market, are you seeing sort of a shift in who the consumers are, or are more businesses taking up the headsets, or is it the consumers that are kind of catching up now?
What we see is that the consumer market on premium VR is growing, and we have been selling extremely well with our original Vive that has been in market for the last 3 years. This is selling extremely well. We're very happy with that. We also think that the market is ready on the consumer side for a new premium VR headset to also support their needs. When it comes to enterprise and professional market, it took a couple of years for that market and segmentation and that industry to really understand how they could use it. And in the last probably 1.5 to 2 years, they've really started to go from proof of concept out to scalable solutions inside of their businesses. And you have companies like Bell Helicopter now saving nearly 5 years of development time before on developing a new helicopter design, and saving millions of dollars, by not cutting metal until after they've already done the design completely in a VR setting. So companies are really starting to see collaboration, design, training, all of those things are really becoming scalable solutions. So the enterprise market is growing rapidly, and we want to make sure that we're addressing it and supporting those customers.
So do you think the enterprise market is bigger than the consumer market right now?
No, I don't. I think the consumer market is much bigger, but I think that the enterprise and professional market is growing very rapidly. And we want to make sure that we can help companies, take data, put VR in their day-to-day lives and work efficiencies into those workflows and improve cost savings, collaboration, and bring all those solutions to them. So when you're using this on your desk at work, it's going to be a lot easier to use it at home as well. So I think that there's a lot of benefits of addressing and supporting both industries.
Fantastic. For 2019, do you guys have anything else in store, like accessories that you think might be coming out for the headsets?
We do think that we will continue to evolve on accessories, and we will continue to evolve on other products, and we will have more announcements coming this year.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about virtual reality, and head over to Vive if you want to find out more about the headsets, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you.